Welcome to assembly. Tight. Should loosen that up a little bit before connecting the spring. But take that out. I do not have my radio or batteries yet, so this is all I can do. It will be coming apart again. Also, I may be running the slats. That's why I haven't put the stickers on. I don't have any foam safe CA right now. So I strongly suggest finding some foam safe CA if you're going to run the slats. My original timber has the slats glued in, and they are glued in permanently. Another word of warning, this plane has a bulletin out right now. You guys know what that is if you've been in this hobby before. And the bulletin is for this. Get that off there. Now, the ESC in this one came loose, as in like it wasn't even taped down or anything, but what the bulletin is telling you to take the ESC, which is this thing, it sits back here, pull the wires through the cowl a little bit, through this ridge, pull the wires back here, as you can see this cord is shorter, and pull the ESC up to this location here. It allows for better cooling, and I think they say put some double-sided tape on it, but I don't know if I'm going to do that. The motor wires just might hold it in place. I might zip tie them to this little bridge here. I might not. But yeah, make sure you do that if you have this airplane, because we want to follow the recommended procedures. Snap. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful big wings on it. I think the slats add a really cool dimension to these timber airplanes. I like the extended nose. Very pretty. Got the exhausts here. Big landing gear. Another thing is I forgot the issue I dealt with on my other timber, but the landing gear doesn't come straight. When the rudder is straight, the landing gear was like turning way to the side, and I dealt with that forever. I forgot I dealt with that on my original timber, and I'll show you my original timber with this timber in a little bit. Not in this video, but in another video. And I would deal with it. You gotta do left rudder until the plane has enough lift to get the tail off the ground, which is really annoying. So getting this to track as true as possible is really important. And when they say this is like the best landing gear they've ever, what is it? More durable, stronger, reinforced landing gear mounts. Whatever that means, this little tail wheel is strong as hell. I got it all scraped up trying to bend it straight. It's, I don't even want to talk about it, but yep, so we take a look at the bottom. Nice and red. This should stand out against the good sky. Now I really want to do float flying. I actually have the stickers for the original timber coming, and I'm going to put the decals that the original timber has, because these floats look a little bland on this airplane, and I think putting the red stickers on is going to make it look really good. At least I think. We'll see. Or I might just leave it original. But got the landing gear. And the landing gear, like they said, these wires look thicker than the original. I'll have to test that out. But yeah, there it is. Timber Evolution. Should get the slats on it. And my radio, when I get that, we will be able to set this all up, and I'll give you guys a comparison of turbo timber versus original timber. And I have the whole original timber package, floats and everything. I do not have the turbo timber previous generation. I have only the original timber. So that should be a really cool comparison. But there's a little assembly video for you, and I guess there'll be more to come, I suppose. I'm really excited. I'm really excited. So I know this video is really long, but that's what you get. I could just sit there and look at it all day. It's so pretty. I love the airplane. All right, catch you in the next one.